Hello motivation seekers, welcome back to our channel. The topic of our today's video is how to turn your pain into power. Pain is something everyone tries to escape. We hide from it, we fight it, we pretend it does not exist. But what if I told you that pain is not your enemy? Pain is not here to destroy you. Pain is here to shape you. Every sleepless night, every tear you wiped away in silence, every moment you felt weak, lost, or forgotten, none of it was meaningless. Today, you will learn how to stop running from pain and start using it. Because when pain meets purpose, it becomes power. Understanding pain, why it exists in your life. Pain does not arrive randomly, it enters your life to wake you up. Pain shows you what matters. Pain reveals where growth is needed. Pain forces change when comfort would keep you stuck. Without pain, you would never push beyond your limits. Without pain, you would never question your situation. Without pain, you would never become more than you are today. Pain strips away illusions. It removes fake confidence. It destroys weak foundation. And once everything false is gone, what remains is your true strength. Pain is not punishment. Pain is preparation. Stop asking why me, start asking what now. One of the biggest traps of pain is this question: why me? Why did this happen to me? Why am I suffering while others are happy? Why do I keep failing? That questions keep you trapped because why me looks backward. Power is found by looking forward. Ask a better question. What is this pain trying to teach me? How can this make me stronger? What version of me is being created right now? The moment you stop asking why and start asking how, everything changes. Pain stops controlling you and you start controlling your pain. Accept the pain and do not run from it. You cannot transform pain that you refuse to face. Running from pain only makes it louder. Ignoring pain only makes it deeper. Denying pain only gives it power over you. Instead, you sit with it. Feel it fully. Accept it honestly. Acknowledge it without shame. Strong people are not those who feel no pain. Strong people are those who face pain without breaking. Acceptance is not a weakness. Acceptance is courage. When you accept pain, it loses its grip on you. And when it loses its grip, you gain control. Pain builds mental toughness like nothing else. Comfort creates weakness. Pain creates resilience. Every time you survive pain, your mind becomes sharper. Every time you endure struggle, your spirits become stronger. Every time you refuse to quit, your confidence grows. Pain teaches you discipline. Pain teaches you patience. Pain teaches focus. People who have suffered deeply think differently. They move differently. They carry strength others do not understand. What you are building right now is mental armor. One day, challenges that break others will, will barely slow you down. Use pain as fuel, not as an excuse. Pain can do two things to you: it can break you or it can drive you. Many people use pain as an excuse to quit. They say, I have been hurt, so I deserve to stop. But powerful people use pain as fuel. They say, I have been hurt, so I will become stronger. Every time you feel tired, remember what you have survived. Every time you feel weak, remember how far you have come. Every time you want to quit, remember the pain that shaped you. Let pain push you forward, not hold you back. Transfer anger into discipline. Pain often turns into anger. Anger at life, anger at people, anger at yourself. Uncontrolled anger destroys. Controlled anger builds. Turn that anger into discipline. Train harder, work longer, focus deeper. Let your anger sharpen your actions, not poison your mind. Discipline is pain with direction. Discipline is emotion under control. Discipline how chaos becomes power. Pain gives you a purpose if you listen. Pain often shows you what you are meant to do. Your struggles reveal your calling. Your wounds reveal your mission. Your past reveals your purpose. What hurt you may be the very thing you are meant to help others overcome. What hurt you may be the very thing you are not meant to help others overcome. Pain creates empathy. Pain creates understanding. Pain creates freedom. When you rise from pain, you become proof that survival is possible, and proof is powerful. Build your identity through struggle. Pain forces you to redefine who you are. It asks questions comfort never will. Who are you when the things fall apart? Who are you when no one believes in you? Who are you when quitting feels easier than continuing? These moments defines you. Your identity is not built during easy days. It is built when everything feels heavy and you still move forward. Pain reveals character. Pain reveals courage. Pain reveals strength you didn't know you had. Turn your scars into symbols of strength. Your scars are not signs of weakness. They are proof of survival. Every scar means you fought. Every scar means you endured. Every scar means you refuse to disappear. Do not hide your scars. Wear them with pride. They are the reminder that you are stronger than what tried to break you. Consistency through pain is true power. Anyone can work when motivated. Anyone can dream when inspired. But consistency during pain is rare. Showing up when it hurts, working when you feel empty, moving forward when progress feels invisible. That is power. Pain tests commitment. Pain exposes excuses. Pain separates dreamers from doers. Stay consistent even when it's hard, especially when it's hard. Pain and strength remain. Pain is temporary. It feels endless, but it is not permanent. It feels overwhelming, but it will pass. What remains is the strength you built, the discipline you earned, the mindset you forged. One day you will look back and realize that pain changed you forever, not by breaking you, but by building you. Become unstoppable by owning your story. Your story matters, not because it is perfect, but because it is real. Every setback, every failure, every painful chapter, it all belongs to you. Own it. Do not be ashamed of your journey. Do not apologize for your scars. Do not regret your struggle. Your story is proof that you survived, and survival is power. Turn pain into your advantage. Do not waste your pain. Do not let it turn into bitterness. Do not let it turn into fear. Do not let it turn into excuses. Turn it into discipline. Turn it into focus. Turn it into unstoppable strength. Pain is not here to end you. Pain is here to evolve you. And if you choose to rise, and if you choose to fight, if you choose to grow, your pain will not define your weakness. It will define your power.